Wow! This is incredible!
Hello again. Wow, so last week spring has sprung. This week I think it decided it got up a little bit too early and has gone back to bed. Snow has redescended, it's -4. Yeah, not much else to say. I mean, the good news is we were waiting for the metal for the foundations to arrive, and that's not supposed to be ready until the end of next week, maybe the week after. So it's not stopping anything, and it is lovely. I mean, it's lovely to look out and see the snow. But yeah, it was nice to think we were coming into spring, and okay, we just have to wait a little bit longer. So this week, what we decided to do is there's a lovely little walk. It's a loop actually, and it goes around a private lake, and it takes about 40 minutes, and it's got goes through some forest, and well, you'll see. It's a walk that you can take directly from Hilltop, just straight out the door, turn left. Larry will show you where it is, where you start. And you know, it's just again another idea of something quick and easy, 40-minute walk, peace, tranquility. The world we live in right now, just a nice, zen, relaxing thing that you can do while you're going to be here at Hilltop. So thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe. Really would be nice to get the word out to some more subscribers, and see you again next week. Oh, we're at the entrance to Hilltop, and that's the walk.